Carrot cake waffle. Let's get started. You can start by separating one egg. Put the yolk in one bowl and your egg whites in another. Make sure to get it all. Next, you're going to want to scramble your egg whites until they're nice and fluffy. Melt some butter. Add your grated carrots, about half. Add some monk fruit sugar sweetener. About a teaspoon of vanilla extract. About a teaspoon of baking powder. Add that egg yolk from earlier. Mix it all together. Now let's add 1 cup of pecan flour. You're going to add about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, unsweetened, about 3 tablespoons coconut milk condensed, pinch of nutmeg, pinch of cinnamon, and those fluffy egg whites from earlier. Mix it all together, but do not overmix. Now spray your waffle maker with coconut oil and go ahead and put your mix on there. This will yield 1 waffle. For more than that, just double the recipe. And enjoy a carrot cake waffle.